Severe thunderstorm warning.
At 3:05 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located northwest of Redwood, 22 miles west of Packwood, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Mineral, Ashford.
Oops. Sorry guys, keeps cutting out.
In Washington,
Yep. Pierce County is under a severe thunderstorm warning right now.
to know a weather radio station.
God dang it. There we go.
6 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Paradise, Oregon, 12 miles northwest of Packwood, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Mount Rainier, Paradise, Longmire, and Ashford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure or your vehicle. Repeating, a severe
Strikes are going
thunderstorm warning
crazy
has
right
been
now,
issued
guys.
until 4 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: in Washington, Lewis, and Pierce. You're listening to
Another severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lewis County in west central Washington, southwestern Thurston County in west central Washington, southeastern Grays Harbor County in northwestern
Ooh.
Washington until 4:15 p.m.
That's a good area to get
Pacific Daylight Time.
thunderstorms.
At 3:42 p.m. Pacific Daylight
Great
Time,
area.
a severe thunderstorm was located near Doty, or 9 miles east of Francis, moving north at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include
There it is.
NPL. For your protection, move to an interior room on the
Hail
lower
of
floor
1
a
inch.
building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built
Come on,
structure.
focus.
Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: in Washington, Grays Harbor, Lewis, and Thurston.
Didn't pick it up.
The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clackamas County in northwestern Oregon, northwestern Hood River County in northwestern Oregon, southeastern Multnomah County in northwestern Oregon, southwestern Skamania County in southwestern Washington until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 3:51 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail. This
That's
storm was
huge.
located over Skamania, or 8 miles southwest of Cascade Locks, and moving north at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Stevenson, Cascade Locks, Skamania, Mount Hood Village, North Bonneville, Zigzag, Multnomah Falls, Brindle, Beacon Rock, Bonneville, Welches, Rhododendron, and Brightwood. In Washington, this includes State Route 14 between mile markers 27 and 45. This includes the following highways in Oregon: Interstate 84 between mile markers 29 and 45. Due south, Highway 26 east of Portland between mile markers 31 and 44. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. If you are in the path of the storm, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: Skamania, Washington. the Severe Thunderstorm Warning.
1050 hertz.
The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 193, effective
there we
until
go.
11 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Washington: Cowlitz, Lewis, Pierce, Skamania, and Thurston. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the
tone that as
development
a
of severe
watch.
weather, including
Not
large hail and
1050
damaging
hertz.
winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may
You're
not
super
be
late
imminent,
with it, too.
persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio.
Here comes the next round of storms.
Or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 193 has been issued until 11 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington: Cowlitz, Lewis, Pierce, Skamania, and Thurston. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio.
First ever SBC watch for the Seattle County warning area, and it's a 1050 hertz. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern King County and west central Washington, east central Pierce County and west central Washington until
That's my
4:45
county.
p.m. Pacific Daylight Time.
Not my
At
area,
4:10
though.
p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 12 miles northeast of Mount Rainier, Oregon, 26 miles north of Packwood, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour.
There we go.
Quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern King and east central Pierce counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and heavy clouds and ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous clouds and ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following county: Pierce, Washington.
That's crazy, guys. Another severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service in Seattle has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lewis County in west central Washington, southwestern Thurston County in west central Washington until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:13 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Rochester, or near Centralia, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Olympia, Centralia, Lacey, Tumwater, Tenino, Rochester, Bucota, Little Rock, Maytown, Ford's Prairie, Grand Mount, and Nisqually Indian Community. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.
There's another ding.
Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds.
Just expiring it.
Immediately to shelter inside a strong building.
Another one, I should say.
Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington, Lewis, and Thurston.
This is so crazy.
Severe thunderstorm warning for
Super crazy. Here's another one. They're coming back to back to back.
The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clark County in southwestern Washington, southwestern Skamania County in southwestern Washington, eastern Cowlitz County in southwestern Washington until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 4:16
$half size hail.
radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing
Sheesh.
$half-size hail. This storm was located 7 miles south of Trapper Creek Wilderness, or 10 miles northwest of Stevenson, and moving north at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Trapper Creek Wilderness. In Washington, this includes State Route 503 between mile markers 27 and 29. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind.
Look at all those
hail,
warnings.
deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your
There's
protection,
3 of them active right now in our area.
floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the
Still
road.
haven't toned the watch either.
In the path of the storm, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloudy ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington, Cowlitz, and Skamania. You're
There
listening.
we go. Another severe thunderstorm
EAS
warning.
has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Lewis County in west central Washington until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe
There's too
thunderstorm
many
was
of them.
located near Mossorock, Oregon, 15 miles northwest of Coldwater Ridge Visitor Center, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Mossorock around 4:35 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Other locations
157 strikes in the last hour.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: Lewis, Washington. An avalanche specialist. Thurston County in west central Washington, west central Pierce County in west central Washington, until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight
Those are
Time.
getting closer to me.
At 4:44 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lacey or near Olympia, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Tacoma, Olympia, Lacey, Tumwater, DuPont,
That's super close to me. Super close.
With notice, Tangleville Thompson Place, McCord Air Force Base, Nisqually,
Yeah.
Nisqually Indian Community, Nisqually Indian Compartment. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure, large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows.
Yeah, of course I do.
Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear storm, you are close enough to get struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington, Pierce, and Thurston. An avalanche special advisor.
And there's another one. Yes.
The National Weather Service in Portland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Clark County in southwestern Washington, northwestern Skamania County in southwestern Washington.
Thunder's still going too.
Northwestern Washington until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:02 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable
So is the lightning.
quarter-size hail. This storm was located over Mount St. Helens and moving north at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include include Coldwater Ridge Visitor Center, Mount St. Helens, Cougar, Johnston Ridge Visitor Center, Swift Reservoir, Yale Lake, Spirit Lake, and Coldwater
There's the Pearson Thurston SVR.
includes state route 504 between mile markers 23 and 51.
Almost to 200 strikes total.
Destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. If you are in the path of the storm, prepare immediately for large hail and deadly clouds and ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building and away from windows.
Whoa.
A severe thunderstorm
That one was out of focus.
until 5:30 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the
Unfortunately.
following counties in Washington, Cowlitz, and Skamania.
Another severe thunderstorm warning.
Service in Seattle has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Lewis County in West Central Washington until 5:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Coldwater Ridge Visitor Center, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. The storm produced ping-pong ball-sized hail earlier this afternoon. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Sonoma. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties: Lewis, Washington. Your southwestern Washington.
Another
West
severe
Central
thunderstorm
Cowlitz
warning.
County in southwestern Washington until 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 7:19 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-sized hail.
Sheesh.
This storm was located over Mist, or 9 miles north of Vernonia, and moving north at 45 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Classic, Mist, Oak Point, and Quincy. In Washington, this includes State Route 4 between mile markers 40 and 48. In Oregon, this includes Utah. Highway 30 west of Portland between mile markers 60 and 67. Severe thunderstorms produce destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to a secure room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road. Torrential rainfall is also occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time for the following counties in Washington, Cowlitz, and Waukegan.